Let me walk you through the two main pages of the AI Friendliness plugin and show you how to use them together to actually improve your AI traffic. In your WordPress admin, you'll see two items under the AI Friendliness menu, AI Friendliness and LLM Traffic. Let's start with the main page. Every published post and page shows up here after it's been analyzed. The score column is your starting point. Scores go from 0 to 100. Green is excellent, 85 and up. The middle range, 70 to 84, is good. Below 70 is needs improvement. Drop below 50 and it goes bright red, which means there are some real structural issues that need attention. When LLM traffic tracking is on, you also get this column right here, 30-day LLM traffic. That's how many visits came from AI sources in the last 30 days. We'll come back to why those two columns together are the whole game. Each row has a Next Steps button. Click it and you get a drawer that slides in showing the full breakdown across all 13 scoring factors, each one green, yellow, or red, along with specific recommendations for whatever needs fixing. So instead of trying to figure out what's wrong, it tells you exactly what to do. Things like add FAQ page schema markup or your reading ease score needs improvement. You just work through the list. Now let's look at LLM traffic. At the top, you've got summary cards showing total visits by source: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Copilot, Meta AI, and an other bucket for anything else. So you can see at a glance which AI systems are actually driving traffic to your site. Below that is a per-page breakdown, sortable by any column. You can filter by 7, 30, or 90 days, or set a custom range. Everything exports to CSV. And because detection is server-side, there's no performance hit on your pages at all. Here's how you use these two together. The AI Friendliness score tells you how well your content is structured for AI systems. LLM traffic tells you whether AI systems are actually sending people to it. Those are different questions, and both matter. Sort this table by LLM traffic, highest first. Look for pages that are already getting AI visits but have a score below 70. Those are your priority. AI tools are already citing that content, which means right now they might be pulling incomplete or poorly structured information about your business. Click Next Steps, follow the recommendations, and you're fixing the pages where it actually matters. Pages with high traffic and high scores, protect those. Keep them updated because outdated content that AI tools frequently cite is a real problem. Pages with high scores but no traffic are fine structurally. The issue there is usually that the topic just isn't driving AI queries yet, so you monitor those rather than panic about them. That's the workflow. Check both columns, sort by traffic, and use next steps to fix the pages where the stakes are highest. That's how you stop guessing and start improving the AI visibility that actually matters for your business. If you haven't tried it yet, you can grab the plugin at aifriendliness.com. There's also a free scanner at scan.aifriendliness.com if you want to check a page before you buy.